34. A faithful saying. Paul, in writing to Titus, sets down certain requirements for Christians in Titus 3:1-7, and then calls what he has written a faithful saying, continuing, quote, "And these things I will that thou affirm constantly, that they which have believed in God might be careful to maintain good works. These things are good and profitable unto men." Titus 3:8. The phrase faithful saying means, as Ernest Gordon pointed out years ago, a statement of the faith. Let's then examine Paul's very practical statement of the faith. First, we are to be obedient to all authorities, for our way is regeneration, not revolution. Second, we are, quote, to be ready to every good work. Third, we are to speak evil of no man, to be no brawlers, but gentle, showing all meekness unto all men. Fourth, we who were once unregenerate and ungodly have been justified by God's grace and made heirs of a kingdom, and hence we live serving not our divers lusts and pleasures, but the Lord. Fifth, we have been saved by God's mercy and grace through Jesus Christ our Saviour. Paul ties work and faith together. Notice how practical Paul's statement of the faith is. Hating one another gives way to a life of grace towards all men. Malice and envy are replaced by a readiness to every good work. Paul's statement of faith needs more attention in our time.